We are humans. We are born with adaptations and biological features, including vocal cords, thumbs, brains, and instincts that taken together are uniquely human. Nature selects traits that give advantages to a species, and these traits are passed to offspring. Many believe that God has bestowed upon us traits that we are designed to use. Logically, we have a just claim to use these properties because they are hard-coded into every DNA sequence in every cell in our body. Let's call these biological features that give us natural advantages natural rights, human rights, or simply our rights. Let's enumerate the most important rights so that governments can be better restricted from infringing upon them. The right to communicate. Humans are communicators by nature and must communicate for survival. We have a just claim to communicate and employ communication technologies, freely and privately. It is inhumane to suppress, monitor, collect, or intercept communications without the consent of the communicators. The right to use tools. Humans are tool users, and we would become extinct without tools. Our economy is tool-based, and we have the right to be innovative in tool creation and the use of tools without license or interference. Tools include automobiles, medicine, computers, networks, money, algorithms, and weapons for self-defense. The right to cooperate. Humans cooperate and work with one another to further our survivability beyond what we could achieve alone. People should be forced only to respect the rights of others, but never to cooperate with those who we do not wish to. The right to learn, hold, and advocate beliefs. Humans form belief systems, including religions, that create the strategies that we will employ to further our survivability and happiness. Freedom to choose belief systems and religions cannot be ethically denied. The state shall not impose religions. The state shall not take on any roles of church, and church and state shall be strictly separate. The right to seek happiness and pleasure. We have a right to strive for those things that make us happy and give us pleasure. We require freedom to act in ways that bring us well-being, and therefore we need freedom and independence to be happy. The right to self-ownership, independence, and liberty. We have a just claim for self-ownership, with all the associated privileges and responsibilities of independent people. Labor, consumption, marriage, sexuality, offspring, medical treatment, death, and drug use are some of the areas in which people have the right to determine their own actions without government interference, and to live with the consequences. The right to own property, money, and capital. Humans are territorial animals and will establish and defend territories even to death. Property ownership is part of being human and includes the ownership of land, homes, transportation, tools, capital, and money and other forms of wealth. The right to offspring. We have the right to choose our mates and to pass our genetics to our young. We have a just claim to control our own DNA. We also have the right to separate from our mates without trial or courts. The trivial rights. Humans have many more rights that are too numerous to list but should still be recognized as rights, like the right to cook food, the right to learn how to swim, to wear the clothing of our choice, and to live on our own terms. The rights of children. Children have all the potential for having rights, and it is prohibited for adults to beat, spank, slap, physically or mentally abuse or neglect them. Children shall not be circumcised, tattooed, mutilated, or drugged by their parents or guardians. Children will be treated as if they are wards of their parents, owing nothing to their parents. Parents are completely responsible for the actions of their children and will be held accountable for their children's behavior. While parents are responsible for their children, parents are the authorities and shall have complete control over the medical and psychological treatments, educations, diets, and lifestyles of their children. The right to the preservation of life. Like all life forms, we have evolved with a strong drive to avoid death and to do those things that we believe will prolong our lives so that we can live well. Please like this video and share. Thank you very much.